Nature observation tours were held at the Fukiage Garden on Imperial Palace grounds in Tokyo on May 4th, or Greenery Day, a public holiday in Japan. Nature has been preserved in the area with minimal human intervention since the end of World War II. Endangered species of plants and animals also inhabit the garden. Participants received explanations from an expert from the National Museum of Nature and Science during their 90-minute tour. The event began in 2007, based on the wish of then Emperor Akihito and Empress Michiko to share the rich nature of the Imperial Palace with the people.
今年にこんな森があってすごいなと思って涼しくて、気持ちよかったです。
普段入れないところに入れてすごくいい経験ができたなと。
Three tours were conducted on May 4th, and a total of about 100 people chosen by lottery with an odds of about 55 to 1 took part.